In the last decade, IDIADA has undertaken a deep digitalization process. One of our goals was to improve project follow-up, reporting, and the overall communication between our clients and the project leaders within IDIADA, regardless of their location, time zone, or working schedule. For the durability and field operational test programs that we undertake, we use a secure web service platform that allows you to have access to comprehensive, up-to-date information on your project, anytime, anywhere, on any device. "29 million kilometers, 121,000 driving sheets have already been digitally reported, and over 800 people from over 30 countries have already used our secure web service platform. IDIADA's durability and FOT services are a world reference, not only for the 20 years experience, our international deployment, or the skills of our engineers and technicians, but also for our constant drive towards innovation to keep improving our services and your customer experience by going the extra mile.